let's talk about responsible AI. Look at this motorcycle. It's a marvel of engineering, but it has brakes and safety controls. And this is what responsible AI is all about. For a motorcycle, the brakes ensure that I don't crash. In the same way, responsible AI ensures that the AI behaves within certain limits, respecting our rights and values. Of course, the headlight for a motorcycle lets me to see the road at night. In the same way, responsible AI demands for transparency, meaning that it's not just enough for AI to make decisions. We need to know how the AI came up with those decisions. And of course, the helmet, the safeguard of a rider. In the same way that a helmet protects us, responsible AI includes robust strategies for data security, data privacy to keep us all safe. So basically, responsible AI is not about limiting AI. It's about enjoying the ride in an AI highway with right gears and rules to get to our destinations in a safe way.